Good afternoon, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor here. So we got another event coming up. I want all of y'all to join. That's going to be December 10th. Okay, that's a Saturday morning, about a 3-hour day with me. Now, what I want to do here is take y'all out and see how rehab gets done inside of mobile homes. This is what you see around me is one of the many views that you see when you're rehabbing mobile homes. But whether you ask real estate investors or mobile home investors, is what's one of the hardest tasks when you're doing a rehab inside a mobile home or a house? Contractors. It is not the product, it's not the material, it's not the holding. There's a whole list. And yes, all that takes effort as well. But dealing with contractors can be very difficult. If you're not hiring the right crews, the right contractors, whether they're licensed, insured, whether they're doing the job right accordingly. And a lot of you are getting into this new niche of mobile home investing, but you're not really familiar with a lot of the steps that take place. If you do not know how to hold somebody accountable, they could be taking advantage of you. So that's one of the things that I want to take y'all out there by my side. And it's not just going to be me telling you how I would rehab the mobile home. I want to have contractors, my top contractors out there working so they can show you. You'll get to shadow me and see me ask questions. Why are we doing this with the roof, with the ceiling, with the flooring, with the electrical, the plumbing, okay? The painting, central heat and air, cosmetics. It could be simple as painting or something as much like the gut job, like what you see here, what we're rehabbing. So a lot of these steps, again, you have to know what you're looking at. You cannot hold anybody accountable if you yourself do not know what you're looking at. So join me December 10th. That's going to be December 10th. It's a Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Click the link below and hope to see you all there. Thank you for watching.